My name is Hussein Abdul Aleem, and I'm here to tell you all about wood carving. Always keep your fingers away, because I can work with my hands like this, but you notice I keep my hand out of the way. I keep my knees all tender skin out the way. I just travel with Band-Aids. Fortunately, I haven't really sliced off a finger, don't intend to. So you do have to be conscious. You do have to be thinking. You do have to be thoughtful. Because the minute you're going too fast, you're rushing, become impatient, that's where you hurt yourself. I was down at the African village in Tucson for the Gem Fest, and I repair a lot of the masks. I repair a lot of the furniture. Guy came at me with a pig, big pig that needed a foot on it. So I had to cut out the foot and glue it on and all this. And I wanted to do the work, but I had too much work. They were coming at me too fast, and wasn't getting paid. We were trading. So I ended up hurting myself, rushing. Believe it or not, I sliced my finger on the top, and I'm still feeling nerve damage from that, and that was almost 6 months ago. So it wasn't deep, but it was, cut some nerves on the top of my hand, rushing, being careless. So that's the biggest thing, and watch when you have children, to keep an eye on them. But it's not a whole lot of damage you're going to do. You might need a stitch or two, but that's about the extent of it. I don't think you're going to. You keep everything out of the way. Every once in a while, you might bang you. So keep yourself down far enough on the chisel so that you don't have your hand up here somewhere, so you're going to not pay attention and bang your hands up. But I do have these, and I do need these to read with. And sometimes when I'm sanding and I want to get to the fine lines, I do need to put the glasses on to protect my eyes as well as to see better. So that's about the extent of it. The glasses are important for safety and catching the tight lines, the small lines, the scrapes, and because once you stain it, you see all your imperfections. If you haven't done a good job sanding, that's why the glasses are important. I can see a little bit better in the sunlight. So again, here I am establishing my line. Establishing my line.